So all of these things, what we're really talking about is interconnectedness. And then a deep recognition of what we mean by self and selflessness and self and other. And, you know, there's a certain way in which we're just beginning to learn what it means to be human and learn what non-attachment to the personal pronouns really means. We built so many narratives around I, me, and mine, or, you know, and the Buddha was famous for saying that if all of his teachings were encapsulated into one sentence, it would be, nothing is to be clung to as I, me, and mine. So you know, there's no prescription here either. You asked about mindful parenting, and I said there's no prescription. You asked about mindfulness in facing the planetary disasters and challenges we face. There's no prescription. That's the beauty of it, is that we're going to solve this together. As Benjamin Franklin said, I think, when they were signing the Declaration of Independence, he said, we'd better all hang together because otherwise we're all going to hang separately. And it's the same with climate change. It's the same with all of the various challenges we're facing as a planet, that it's not like one savior is going to come along and make it all better for the rest of us. That this is a kind of percolation up through the sort of floorboards of humanity itself.